Okay, so I'm gonna teach you about moles. So basically, what a mole is defined as, it's an SI base unit used to measure the amount of a substance. So what does that mean exactly? So the history of it, basically, Avogadro was doing a lot of experiments with carbon, and he discovered that carbon having an atomic mass of 12, when he had 12 grams of carbon, he had exactly 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles of carbon. So after he did more studies, he found out that it was the same for all types of elements. So basically, if you have oxygen with an atomic mass of 16, approximately, in 16 grams of oxygen, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles. So similarly, we all know what a dozen is. A dozen is pretty similar to a mole. So whereas 1 dozen is equal to 12, 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles. So if you have 2 dozen flowers, then let's work this out. So 1 dozen flowers is equal to 12 flowers. So then when you multiply this across, you get 24 flowers. And the same thing works with moles. So if you have 2 moles of flowers, that 1 mole is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd flowers. And when you multiply that across, you get 1.2 times 10 to the 24th. Flowers. Okay, so that's basically what moles are.